Predictions of intelligent design. 1. High semantic information content will be found in genetic sequences. This has been confirmed by biosemiotics and code biology. 2. Higher taxonomic forms will be found in the fossil record that appear suddenly and without any precursors. Very little or no gradualism will be observed between higher taxa, since higher taxonomic organisms were created, not evolved. 3. Genes and functional parts will be reused in different unrelated organisms. Reuse of common functional parts is a common feature of all complex designed things. Example: the wheel is among the most reused parts in all human ground vehicles, and so are nuts and bolts. Hence, finding reused structures and information points to a common design base and common designer. 4. The genetic code will not contain a vast majority, e.g., the 98% claimed by evolution believers, of discarded genetic baggage code or functionless junk DNA. 5. High prescriptive or algorithmic information content in genomes. 6. Machine-like irreducibly complex structures will be found. There are now thousands of such examples, far beyond Behe's noted E. coli flagellum, and no molecular pathways from one taxonomic family to another will ever be found. There are none so far, and none are expected, since it is not even possible to construct such paths without the DNA of the majority of species alleged to have been in the lineage. Most of the claimed ancestors will be shown to have serious problems as clear ancestors of anything outside or beyond the taxonomic family, also already historically proven. There are no detailed Darwinian accounts for the evolution of any fundamental biochemical or cellular system, only a variety of wishful speculations. It is remarkable that Darwinism is accepted as a satisfactory explanation of such a vast subject. James Shapiro, Professor of Biochemistry and Molecular Biology, U of Chicago. 8. Mechanisms for error detection and correction will be abundant within bioorganisms. There is no such thing as error detection correction without knowledge of what the system should look like at any given point or state. Example: if you can't read Chinese, you can't detect or correct grammatical or orthographic errors in the text. Knowledge and intelligence are required. Example 2. If you can't understand the symbols used to represent a mathematical equation, you cannot detect or correct errors in it, and you cannot solve the equation. 9. Mechanisms for non-random cellular adaptations coherent with environmental pressures will be found. This has been proved by epigenetics. 10. So-called vestigial organs will be found to have specific purposes and usefulness. A ubiquitous case for more than a century, none of the alleged vestigial organs have held up to scrutiny. 11. The presence of meta-information in biological information systems. Meta-information is information about other information. The meta-information in computer databases is things like the data types used in each table's fields, the min-max length of data allowed per field, the keys that link tables to other tables, fields that are optional or obligatory. Only intelligent agents can create such meta-information, since it describes other information. Altogether, the evidence listed above constitutes a lot of support for design, not the least of which is biological quantum coherence, entanglement, which cannot just evolve. Conclusion: intelligent design makes scientific predictions, and all of them have been shown to be true. In contrast, how many Darwinian predictions have totally failed? Almost all of them, and all of the successes in Darwinian prediction are trivial and in accord with both creationism and intelligent design. Ergo, such evidence is moot. Thanks to Lord Song 7 for this list above, edits are mine. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and comment below if you agree or would like to add your thoughts.